Hello and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. I'm thankful to have you here. Today we are going to be going over a subscription box of clothing. The company's name is JB and Me, and it is their box, and the styling fee was $20, and this $20 gets credited towards anything you purchase of 50 or more. Now that's something you've got to watch. This is 50 or more. Other subscriptions is anything you purchase. So keep in mind when you're purchasing things from this box. They also have free shipping if you buy 3 or more items. So that's another little difference between them and most subscription boxes. This one gives you 5 days to keep all the items, try them on, see how they look, and pick out what you do like. They're located in Holland, Michigan, and they have a great website that you can purchase from, and it is called jbandme.com. Some of the brands that they do carry are BB Dakota, Free People, Liverpool, and Z Supply. That's some of them. So why don't we get into it? So here I have the box. I have just cut it open. I've not done any looking or peeking. So I will pull it out and show you what I see when I open it. So it's wrapped in pretty tissue paper. And then on top there's a few pieces to note. This looks like some of the pieces and style suggestions. And then there's something else in here. Oh, it's a note. I'll read that and see what it is. But let's pull the bundle out. Here is one bundle. Here is the second bundle. Let's see what my stylist wrote. My stylist's name was Ryan, and we had a great conversation on the phone in regards to what I'm looking for and a little bit about my style. So Ryan says, "Hey Lynn, happy first box. Per your request, I sent a few different dress options, along with a white button-up top that I think will be cute. Unfortunately, I do not have any straight leg jeans that I thought would be short enough for you. But I hope you have so much fun trying on these items. Please let me know if I can do anything else for you. Signed, Ryan." And then right on the top of the box is this piece of paper that does go over everything I just mentioned as far as the shipping and getting your styling fee back, along with how many days you have. So let's open up some of these tissue bags. All right. And I did mention dresses, and I think I see a few. Okay. I mentioned white tops. I'd like a few white tops just to go with my printed shorts that I have. All right, so we have a really cute knitted white top. It is short sleeve, and it is knotted on the bottom. Cute. And this is by Sadie and Sage. And the price on this is $37. And I will try all this on for you. Okay. And then there's, ooh, I like this. Oh, this is cute. And I believe this is a dress. And this is a tie-dye dress. The material's a little heavy. It's sweatshirt material, so it might be a little hot for now. But maybe closer to the fall, it might be a little more comfortable. But it's short sleeves and poofy little shoulders. This is super cute. I can't wait to try this on. And I asked for a white button-up, something I could just throw over any tank top. So this here is by Liverpool, and it's in a size large. long sleeve. I'm gonna guess this is 3/4 sleeve actually, but I like this fine detailing here that you see. This will be very cute, I believe. And this item is $68. The dress, I didn't mention the dress. The dress is by BB Dakota. I think you might have actually seen that. And then, let's see, the price is $79. Well, that's getting up there, but it'll probably fit really cute. All right, that was the first bundle. Now we're going to get into the second bundle. I do see dresses. And this one is super cute with the little yellow flowers on it. That's a super cute pattern. And it has a gather, like an umpire waist. And the sleeves are kind of floofy. That's adorable. I don't know how good this is going to look on me, but I will definitely try. It is by a company called Buy Together, and this is $59. That's not a bad price for a dress. And this one, I love the color. I love this color very much. This is like a simple t-shirt dress with just a small cap sleeve, which is really nice for this time of year. And none of them are real long. They're pretty knee length, which is what I was asking for. Okay, and this one is by New In, and it is $28. That's a really good price. Can't wait to try these on for you. Okay, now I started with my favorite piece from the JB box. What do you think of this dress? I love it. For one, it's simply a long t-shirt, and you don't get more comfortable than that. Two, it has a pocket. Now, let me explain a pocket. I'm gonna have to maybe get an exchange on this because over here, the pocket is only open this far. Whereas this, I can get my hand in. So maybe there was just a default in the product and they can hopefully exchange one for me that has 2 full pockets. I love this dress. Hands down my favorite item here. What do you think? I'm used to wearing little lower cut items, so not seeing much skin up here, I just wonder how that looks on me. I always love your feedback. But yep, it's just above the knees and it's perfect. On to the next dress. We'll see what this looks like on me. So here is the second dress. I don't know what I think of it. I really don't. So I'm gonna need some feedback. It is a high-low. So it's cute that way where it is above my knees, just a little longer in the back. I'm just wondering if it's just too much material for me. If maybe it was a little more narrow, that might be just a little more flattering to my body shape. What do you think? I love the pattern. Here, let me show you close up. Cute, right? But tell me what you think. I'm in a quandary here for sure. We have another dress to try on. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so this is the BB Dakota dress. It's super cute. There's nothing more to say except for it's super cute. I love the tie-dye. Very cute. It looks cute on, but I had to really wiggle into this one. And the sleeves are just a little too tight. I could probably use a size up. She got me, that's for sure, the stylist. She knew what I was looking for, and she knows what I like. So way to go, Ryan. All right then, I have 2 tops yet to go, so let's try on the white button-up. Okay, this top is perfect. I love the texture of it and all the interesting weaves. And even if you look close, you can see the different patterns within the white. So it's not your ordinary button-up white shirt, and it fits like a dream. I can't get over how well it fits. And this is probably my second favorite item out of all of them. What do you think? I love this. Does it look cute with shorts? Or should I be wearing it more with denim because of the length of this? All right, I have one more white top to try on. We'll have to see how that fits. Okay, this is the knit white shirt that she sent me. And this is probably the item that I like the least. And I have to admit, putting it on changes everything. I love this. I typically don't like things that come already knotted because sometimes they're too high, and when shirts are crop top with a knot, it's just not right for me. This is absolutely perfect. In fact, I could even tuck this in a little bit, do the French tuck, and it would be cute. You wouldn't even know that there was a knot in it. But front to back, it's beautiful. It's soft. I was wondering if this knit would be too heavy, but it is very lightweight. So I'm thankful she did a great job with everything. All the items that she picked out for me to try, she really put thought into. So this is jbandme.com. I love their items. This is the first time I got them. I love to hear what you all think down below. What are some of your favorite outfits? And help me out with this dress. Tell me what you think, if this should be a keeper or not. Thanks again, and you take care. Bye-bye.